This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 36B5 is a Class A RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This used Forest River is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, oven, refrigerator, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, leveling jacks, TV, smoke detector, slideout, stove top burner, external shower, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunk over cab. This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 36B5 is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.